Hello students of class 10. Today we will continue the chapter atmosphere. So open page number 23. First is the importance of ozonosphere. In the second video we had done that ozone gases are present in maximum in the stratosphere between 12 to 35 kilometer. In between 12 to 35 kilometer, the ozone gases are present in maximum in the stratosphere. So, stratosphere is also known as ozonosphere. The other name of stratosphere is also known as ozonosphere. The ozone gas acts as a protective shield, or it acts as an umbrella and protect our earth from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Without ozonosphere, it is very difficult, or it is impossible to live in our earth. It is impossible to live in biosphere because all the ultraviolet rays of the sun will reach the earth's surface. In the absence of ozonosphere, all the ultraviolet rays will reach the earth's surface and our earth will become a burst furnace. Because of the rapid increase of the temperature, our earth will become a burst furnace. Thus, ozone layer is of great importance because this layer protects life on the earth by filtering out the harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Depletion of ozone layer has been caused by natural cause. There are two causes of depletion, one by natural and one by man-made. These two causes are responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer, natural cause and man-made cause. The natural process of ozone depletion involves conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into nitrous oxide due to solar activity. This is the most important natural cause of ozone depletion. And because of man-made causes, the man-made causes are very important. The use of CFC, that is, underline the full form of CFC is chlorofluorocarbon, and that gas is emitted from the electronic gadgets like refrigerator, air conditioners and several devices, and from there these CFC gases emit, and this gas is responsible for ozone layer depletion. Okay, so ozone depletion will cause, what are the effects of ozone depletion? Ozone depletion will increase the temperature as ultraviolet rays will reach the earth's surface. What are the effects? First is increase of temperature. First effect is increase of temperature. The second effect is global warming, melting of the polar ice caps. Melting of polar ice caps. Number three is submergence of coastal lowland. Submergence of coastal lowland. And number 4, disturb the whole ecosystem. Disturb ecosystem. Ecosystem get disturbed. So these are the 4 effects of the depletion of the ozone layer. What are the 4 effects? Increase of temperature. Second point, increase of temperature leads to global warming, causes the polar ice caps to melt. Submergence, when the polar ice caps melt, the water will increase, water level increase, and it will cause the coastal lowland to submerge, and it causes the depletion or problem of the ecosystem. So these are the several effects of greenhouse effects or global warming. Next, heat, temperature and global warming. First, the definition of insolation. What is insolation? The word insolation means incoming solar radiation. What is the meaning of the word insolation? The word insolation means incoming solar radiation. Insolation is a combination of three words. Insolation, insolation is the meaning insolation. Insolation means incoming solar radiation. Insolation is a combination of three words. Insolation. These are the three words that forms the word insolation. The more the insolation, the higher is the temperature. The factors upon which the insolation depends are angle of the sun, distance between the sun and the earth, duration of daylight, angle of the sun. The first factor is angle of the sun. Second factor is distance between the earth and the sun. Third point is duration of daylight. Fourth point is transparency of the atmosphere. And fifth point is position of the sun, position of the earth. These are the factors upon which insolation depends. These are the factors upon which insolation depends. So, these factors are very important. So, in the next video, we will continue this chapter. Thank you, class.